Good Friday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. This is your outlook for September 26, 2014. And we have this exiting system here. This was our system that affected the area yesterday with some rain, and that is now heading off the coast here. We have high pressure moving in here today for your Friday. Winds are going to be out of the north, and they're going to be out of the north for the next couple of days because this high pressure that's sitting here is really not going to move. And it's not going to be very strong either. So your winds aren't going to be very strong, and primarily winds out of the north are going to keep the dew points pretty low. So we're not, other than the temperatures being very on the very warm side, actually approaching 80 degrees or exceeding 80 degrees in some areas as we get over the weekend. Despite that, it's not going to feel like summer, like a true summer day, just because the dew points are going to be so low. So it's going to be a low humidity type 80 degrees that we're dealing with, not that hazy, hot, and humid conditions that we feel in the summertime. So as this system here, here's our low pressure system of the that just affected us yesterday, and this is out now moving off to the east or east northeast here, and this is the high pressure that's going to be anchored in place over the next couple days. So this weekend is going to be very nice, very warm, but again, the humidity is going to be low here. You see it, I'm going ahead a whole day to Saturday afternoon now. That hasn't really moved. Here's the high pressure still sitting in the same spot. And again, Sunday, we have the same idea here with this high pressure weakening a little bit. So the winds will be even lower, maybe be completely calm on Sunday. But the same idea with high pressure just sitting here over the Great Lakes. As we get into early next week here, we're expecting a cold front to come through here, pretty much unabated in terms of rainfall. I'm not looking at any rainfall whatsoever with this cold front coming through Monday night. Just some increase in clouds as it comes through. But no precipitation. This system down here is the system we showed yesterday on the video, and it looked like it was going to affect the area here either Tuesday or Wednesday, and there was a decision to be made of whether the GFS was correct bringing it up through this area here on Tuesday, or if it was going to be the European model winning out with the forecast for this to come through on Wednesday. And now neither one are apparently correct, because neither one of them are showing anything. However, whenever models do that and they go from showing a hit and then the very next day both show nothing, it kind of makes you wonder here. Now this system's a very complicated flow aloft here. So here's our system that's exiting the coast here, and it's going to set up just as not too far away here. I mean, here's our coverage area right here. Here's the Jersey Shore and Delaware coastlines, and here's this low pressure system. So it's going to kind of go up here like this, and it obviously has room to move northward here, and we saw that happen this week with that system that looked like it was going to stay to the south, and then all of a sudden just came a little bit further north, and we got some rain out of it. So we're not going to say, although it looks like on paper we're going to be dry for an extended period of time, we're still going to keep an eye on this thing, because I just have a feeling with this system that it still could do some damage here, if it, or at least give us some rainfall. I don't want to say damage. It's not really a damaging system or anything like that, but you see it comes awfully close before it rounds up and then heads out to sea. But if that does change again, we will certainly let you know. But right now, it looks like we're going to have, if that doesn't affect us, we're going to have a nice stretch of weather here straight through our forecast period, which goes through next Wednesday now, but also into the entire work week next week. And the next chance of precipitation is not going to come until this cold front gets through here, and that won't be until Saturday or Sunday of next week. So it looks like, again, if that system stays to the south, we're not dealing with anything precipitation until next weekend. But we were going to keep an eye on that, because that would, of course, would be in the midweek time frame if that were to happen. Here's this system. It will be on Tuesday, it looks like. That would affect us if it did in fact come further north. Right now the models have it south, so we'll keep it dry and enjoy the weekend. It's going to be, again, fantastic, very warm for this time of year, but still lower humidity, and then we cool down behind the cold front either way on Tuesday and beyond. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for September 26, 2014. Have a great Friday.